Nothing recently released its latest ear-ray active noise cancellation earbuds, and in this video we are going to have a detailed review of it. So we will talk about its design, features, build quality, audio quality, noise cancellation performance, battery performance, and all of its pros and cons. Inside the retail box of Nothing Ear A, you will find the earbuds along with the case, some silicone ear tips, a USB Type-C cable to charge the case, and some quick start guide and user manuals. Talking about the design and build quality, the Ear A comes in a unique yellow color this time along with white and black, and the yellow color version we got here of Ear A reminds me of the movie Kill Bill. It also got the signature transparent look that we get on Nothing devices. It is pretty lightweight, it weighs just 408 grams for each earbuds, so it's pretty lightweight, and it is also IP54 dust and splash resistant, so you will be able to wear it for hours without facing any issue. Because of the transparent design and bright yellow color, it looks quite eye-catching and flashy, and comes with pinch gesture that you can use to perform many different kinds of commands on these earbuds. The case this time is also quite small and pretty lightweight, and the whole setup weighs less than 50 grams, so you can easily carry it anywhere in your pocket. It comes with a USB Type-C port for charging, but the Ear A does not come with wireless charging capability. The case also comes with IPX2 certification, so it is also a bit dust resistant. Talking about the audio quality, the Ear A comes with very balanced sound, and because of that you can enjoy all kinds of music on Ear A, and you will equally enjoy watching movies or playing games using these earbuds. And if you want more amount of bass, then the good part is that in Nothing X application you will find the bass enhance option to increase the amount of bass in the audio output coming out of Ear A. You can even select the level of bass that you would like to increase from 1 to 5. And if it is not good enough for you, then you can go to the equalizer section of Nothing X application, and there you will find an option called more bass to increase the amount of bass even more. Of course, you can select the balanced, more treble, voice enhancement, and there is an option provided to create custom equalizer as well. You can perform 5 different kinds of commands on both left and right earbuds, so virtually you can perform 10 different commands on Nothing Ear A. But since all of these commands are based on pinching, it takes a bit of time to get used to of them and perform them flawlessly. And with the latest software update, Nothing has even integrated the ChatGPT under the voice assistant section, so you can directly launch the ChatGPT on your smartphone just by pinching your Ear A and give the voice command to it. The 45 dB noise cancellation on Ear A is also quite nice and suppresses majority of the ambient sound very efficiently. You get the option to select between the noise cancellation and transparency, and if you turn on the noise cancellation you can even select the level of noise cancellation, or you can go with the smart adaptive option that automatically adjusts the level of noise cancellation based on the ambient sound. Ear A supports the LDAC audio codec, and if you are a gamer, it also comes with a low lag mode that minimizes the latency to provide a nice and faster gaming experience. Ear A comes with dual connection option, so you can connect Ear A with 2 devices at the very same time. It also comes with ear tip fit test that allows you to find which ear tip is the best for you to provide a nice listening experience. It also comes with in-ear detection that automatically pauses the music once you remove the earbuds from your ear and start playing the music again once you put them back. And it works perfectly every single time with Ear A. Inside the Nothing X application, you will also find the Find My Earbuds option that allows you to locate your earbuds if you misplace it somehow. The battery performance of Ear A is quite impressive, as with ANC turned on I was able to get around 6 hours of battery life, and without it a bit more than 8 hours of battery life, so this is quite impressive. And once the battery goes down, you can charge it with the case up to 4 times easily. So once it is fully charged, you can get around 35 hours of listening experience with noise cancellation turned off easily. When it comes to voice calls, once again the performance of Nothing Ear A is quite impressive, as it comes with clear voice technology with 3 microphones in each earbud that helps in capturing the voice clearly, suppressing the ambient sound, and provides a nice voice calling experience. Overall, Nothing Ear A is one of the best active noise cancellation earbuds in its price segment. The audio quality is nice, the active noise cancellation is also pretty good, the battery life is impressive, the design is quite unique and flashy, and it comes with support for LDAC and some unique features like integration with ChatGPT. So if you want to have a nice noise cancellation earbuds without spending too much money, then the Nothing Ear Ray is one of the best option for you for sure. If you are interested in buying one, then the link to buy the Nothing Ear Ray is given in the description of this video. And if you enjoyed watching this one, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.